I 100% feel that Cherokee has set me up for success after high school. I feel that my mindset of my work ethic and determination, and I know that through Cherokee, anything is possible.
Principles of engineering and physics helped me determine that aerospace engineering is my desired major for the future. After graduating from Cherokee, I want to pursue a bachelor's and master's in aerospace engineering. And later, I want to work at an aerospace firm that helps make air travel faster.
After graduating from Cherokee, I plan on going to a four-year university, majoring in marketing or advertising. I'm very confident that I'll be successful after high school. Cherokee has helped me feel prepared for college, as it has allowed me to explore many interests and interact with many different people.
I really look forward to majoring in mechanical engineering and pursuing business as well. Engineering classes such as Project Lead the Way, in addition to my experience on the Charge Robotics team, really helped me to determine mechanical engineering as my major after graduating from Cherokee.
I want to start by majoring in marketing and business, and then hopefully attending one of our top business programs in the area, and hopefully getting my MBA one day, and then working my way up to New York City and working in business there.
Cherokee has helped me feel prepared for college by teaching me valuable skills for both inside and outside of the classroom. I've learned effective time management strategies and how to learn the content efficiently. I've also really developed my presentation skills thanks to my amazing teachers.
AP Literature has done wonders for helping me out in the future. It has forced me into sectioning my time so that I can handle it and setting up, all right, tonight I'm going to read an hour, annotate, tomorrow I'm going to read an hour, annotate. So setting aside time to really get things done has grown me, and I know in the future being able to organize time like that will help me be successful.
They're not only offering rigorous coursework, but also providing me with experiences that would challenge me to think critically and also explore creativity. My English classes such as AP Language and AP Literature, which have helped me learn how to analyze papers and also write papers that I can use during engineering research.
I have learned how to hold myself with such confidence and market myself, and it has prepared me for my future in the real world and for my career, because I feel that I'm now ready to go and step into my business school wherever I go to college, and I can go and hold myself with confidence there.
Cherokee has taught me the skills of leadership, critical thinking, and organization. And I know that these skills will help set me up well for my future.
I may not have my whole life mapped out where I know exactly where I'm going, but I have learned who I am as a worker and as a person. I've learned the value of my own reputation and leading by example for other people to follow.
Cherokee has provided me with a strong foundation, not just academically, but also to overcome any challenges that I might face academically or in research or in whatever I plan on pursuing.
I have learned that if you want to be a leader, you can be, if you put yourself in the position to be. And Cherokee has taught me that truly the sky is the limit. If I want to get there, I know that I can, so I will continue to work as hard as I possibly can until I achieve all my dreams one day.